Welcome to Workday. This video demonstrates how to enter and submit worked time.
To access the calendar, click the Time worklet. You can use the Time worklet to check in or out, or you can select a week and open the calendar. Let's open the calendar for a previous week to look at some time entries. Once you're on the calendar page, you can navigate between the weeks by using the left and right arrow buttons. Or you can use the diamond button to jump to today's date on the calendar. The Enter Time menu provides options to efficiently remove time in the calendar or access other options. You will have a Clear option to clear all time entries for the currently selected week, a Request Time Off option for ease of access to that function, and Run calculations for your hourly totals. Let's add time blocks to this week. In this example, time blocks have been previously entered. We'll go ahead and click right into the calendar to enter a time block. Click inside an hour segment to tag a time slot. The time type has defaulted to regular hours. Note that if you are a Federal Work Study student, you will have the option of selecting Federal Work Study as your time type. We will enter an in and out time and verify or change the reason for checking out. If you have an additional hourly position, you may select it from the position field to allocate the hours to the corresponding job. Once you have completed your time entries, click on Enter Time and select Run Calculations. This will ensure that all calculation totals for hours entered are updated before you submit them. Once you have run calculations, click on Submit this week. You will need to confirm your submission and your manager's approvals will be required. The next steps of the business process can be found on the confirmation page. Click the Details and Process drop-down arrow. You can return to your time entry calendar by clicking Done. Once your time has been submitted, you will notice the gray check marks in the time blocks showing that the time has been submitted but is not yet approved. The check marks will turn green once the manager has approved the time entry. The Select This Week button is no longer available once the time has been submitted. The information icon offers additional details on your time entries. Here, you can view the status of submission and approvals for the time blocks. The Reported tab shows the information you have submitted. The Calculated tab shows any calculations that are run behind the scenes that would categorize your time as regular, overtime, double time, and so on. The History tab shows you the date and time the time block was entered or modified and by whom. It also shows the status of the change, the quantity, and the time type. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you for using Workday. For more information, please visit www.stevens.edu/sit/workday/HCM.